Can you trust your best friend? Imagine you work very hard for 10 years. You and your friend make a lot of money. But one night, your friend takes all the gold and run away. You have nothing. No house, no food, and no friend. This happened in ancient Rome. One man was greedy and the other was honest. Today I will tell you why the honest man became richer than the thief. This story will help you learn English and teach you a great lesson about life. Watch until the end to see what happens to the thief. A long time ago in Rome, there were two friends. Their names were Marcus and Cassius. Marcus was a very kind man. He worked hard and always told the truth. Cassius was different. He was very smart, but he was greedy. He wanted to be rich quickly. They had a business together. They sold expensive clothes and spices. Marcus worked in the shop every day. Cassius traveled to talk to rich people. For 10 years, they worked together. Finally, they became very rich. They had 5,000 gold coins. One night, Marcus said, "Cassius, we have enough money now. Let's help the poor people in our city." Cassius smiled, but he had a bad plan. Late at night, while Marcus was sleeping, Cassius took the all gold coins. He put them in a bag and ran away to a different city. He left a small note. "Marcus, you are too nice. Gold is for smart people like me. Goodbye." The next morning, Marcus woke up. The gold was gone. His friend was gone. Marcus was very sad. He had no money to pay for his house. He had to leave. For 5 years, Marcus worked as a poor laborer. He carried heavy stone all day. His hands were hard and his clothes were old. But Marcus was not angry. Every day he said, "I lost my gold, but I did not lose my heart. God is my silent partner. He knows the truth." In another city, Cassius was living in a big house. He bought everything he wanted, but he was not happy. He was always afraid. He thought, "What if Marcus finds me?" He could not sleep. He did not trust anyone. Cassius put all his money into a big ship to see goods across the sea. But a big storm came. The ship sank in the deep ocean. All his gold was lost. Cassius became a beggar. He had no food, no friends. Cassius went back to Rome. He was hungry and wearing rags. He saw a beautiful new school. In front of the school, he saw a man in clean white clothes. The man was giving bread and food to poor children. It was Marcus. Marcus was now a successful leader. A rich leader to Rome saw Marcus working hard and saw his honesty. He made Marcus his partner. Now Marcus was richer and more famous than before. Cassius fell at Marcus' feet. He cried and said, "Marcus, I am sorry. I stole your gold. I thought I was winning, but now I have nothing, and you have everything. Why?" Marcus helped Cassius stand up. He said quietly, "Cassius, you forgot the silent partner. You thought you were alone when you took the gold, but the world was watching. You stole gold, but you lost your peace. I lost gold, but I kept my honesty. Money can be stolen, but your character stays forever. Marcus was kind. He gave Cassius a job and a place to stay. He showed him that being a good person is a real wealth. This story teaches us that honesty is the best way to live. Sometimes it looks like bad people are winning because they have more money. But money without a good heart is like a house made of sand. If you are working hard and being honest, do not worry. Your silent partner is watching you. Keep going and success will come to you. Thank you for watching History English. If you like this easy English story, please like the video and subscribe for more. We can learn one important line from this story. Gold can be stolen, but a good heart and hard work will always bring success back. Thank you.